Here I have HUAWEI P50 Pocket, and today I'm going to show you how to take a burst shot or the series of photos on this device. So firstly we have to open camera, and all you need to do is to just hold down shutter button, but in a condition that you have to have this feature, motion picture, disabled. And now when you hold down shutter button, it will take a burst shot. So as you can see, I took like 25 shots, and here you can view all these shots, but they just the same. So yeah, that's how you can take burst shot. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.